How to change language on Rednote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me Mike from Create, Login and Delete. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on Rednote. While the app is still primarily in Chinese, but some features are already in English. And I will guide you step by step to switch the language. So make sure to watch until the end of the video. So start by opening the Rednote app, and once you have opened the Rednote app, tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the app, and this will take you to your profile page. And once you are on the profile page, look for the settings gear icon next to the profile button. Now in the settings menu, tap on general settings, and inside the general settings you will find an option labeled language. Simply tap on it. Now in the language settings you will see a three option. To switch to English, select the option labeled English if available. And once you have selected English, you can simply go back to the main screen and the app should now display content in English. But for this video, I'm switching it to the Chinese language. And that's it. Changing the language on Rednote is quick and easy. And with this, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.